Okay, this is Miss Lovak again, using my little bear friend to help me teach you some of the words that you need. So this bear right now is in front of me. See, he's in front of me. Now he is behind me. Okay, now he is on me because when something is touching, he is on my hand. Okay, on. Now he is above me. See how he's above? Above means he's not touching. Okay, above. Okay, and now he is under. Let's see. This is my book, and he's under my book. See my book, my notebook? He's under my notebook. Now he is above my notebook. Okay. Now he is next to me. He is sitting next to me. Okay. Next to me, not touching, next to me. Okay. Now he is close to me. And now he is far from me. Okay. He's far away. Now he is close. Okay. Okay. Let's review that again. So he is what? In front of me. Good. Where is he now? Above or over me. Okay. Where is he now? He is on my hand, right? On. Good. Where is he now? He is sitting next to me or beside me. Next to me or beside me. Is he far away or close to me right now? He's close to me. Now, where is he? He is far away from me, right? Okay, one more thing. In between. So when something is in between something, you have, say, this cup and say this other bear. So you got this blue container and this bear. When something is in between, it is in the middle. This is in between. Now the bear is in between the blue bear and the my water bottle. Okay, in between. Is he in between now? No, where is he? He is above the blue bear. Okay, where now is he in between? No, he is next to the blue bear. Okay, now where is he? In front of the blue bear. And now he is behind the blue bear. Okay, now he's sitting close to the blue bear. Now is he close to the blue bear? No, he is far away from the blue bear. Thank you, blue bear, for helping. Thank you, brown bear, for helping. Well, now it's your turn to go practice. I love you. See you next time. Bye. So let's review how to write the number 1. So we start from the top and we say 1 is fun. Let's do it again. 1 is fun. Let's do it again. 1 is fun. 1 is fun. So what numbers are those? The number 1, because 1 is fun. Okay, let's do number 2. Who remember how to do number 2? Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. Let's do it again. Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. One more time. Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. By doing it this way, you'll memorize the number and how to write it. Okay? Today I'm going to teach you how to write the number 3. So here we go. I love to write number 3. You're going to love it too. It's going to help you remember the number 3, and it's fun. Around a tree, around a tree. Let's do it again. Around a tree, around a tree. Let's do it again. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to write number 3. Uh-oh, I forgot to say that last part. So let's do it over. So, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to write number 3. When you say the whole thing, it helps you to remember that that is the number 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make number 3. One more time. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make number 3. So by saying these cute little saying, it helps you learn how to write your number 3, and it will help you to memorize it. That is the number 3. Okay, now I want you to try it on your spiral notebook. And don't forget, rewatch this video if you need to remember how to write number 1. Remember, 1 is fun. 1 is fun. 1 is fun. 1 is fun. Let's write number 2. Around and back on the railroad track. Choo, 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 choo. Around and back on the railroad track. Choo, 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 choo. Now that we know how to write the numbers, parents, I want you to use, the saying to help them say, okay, how do I write number 2? And help them to remember around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. That helps them to memorize the number, and it helps them learn to write the number. And the more they practice, the better they will get. Today, we're going to talk about number set. So first I would tell them, okay, write the number 1. What's the saying for number 1? And the saying for number 1 is 1 is fun. So 1, when I say 1, how many is that? So I will draw 1 circle next to the number 1. I changed the color so it doesn't look like the number 10. So 1, I draw 1, and I count it. 1. And we always count and put a little dot in there. That tells us that we checked our work, okay? Then you ask your child, how do I write number 2? So they're going to say around and back on the railroad track. And then you ask them, what does 2 mean? 2 means 2 things. So I'm going to draw and write at the same time. 1, 2. And I'm going to go back and check. 1, 2. I always check my work because I don't want to make a mistake, okay? Teach them that habit to check their work. It's a good habit instead of doing it so fast and then throwing it out. Okay, so the next number we're going to do is 3. So we're going to ask them, how do I write number 3? So they're going to tell you, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make number 3. And then you ask them, what does 3 mean? 3 means 3 objects or 3 things. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Am I done? No, I have to check my work. 1, 2, 3. I do have 3. 3 means 3, and it always means 3, okay? It has to be 3 objects. So practice. Parents, make little boxes. I'm going to put pictures down so you can see, and then put random numbers for your child to recognize and to work on that one-to-one correspondence number set. Because, if they don't know 3 means 3, then we cannot add 3 to 4, because what does that even mean anyway? So we got to get this part really firm. And normally we practice it daily inside of the classroom, and we do it over and over until they get it, because it's their age. They need time to internalize that. And the more they do it, the more they're going to say, oh, yeah, 3 means 3. I'm going to put 3 circles. 5 means 5, so I'm going to put 5 circles. Okay? So practice that with them. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.